All right, let's take a step back and find out a little bit more about what ORAN is. We are joined now by Jean-Manuel Dassonville, the ORAN Solutions Planner for Keysight. Jean, looking at it from a 1,000-foot view, what is ORAN?
Yeah, so it's an interesting question. I think that before we start describing what is ORAN, we should look at why is ORAN and why is it happening right now. Because once you understand the driving forces, you can understand the mission and how it's organized. So what we see is several driving forces that are behind the migration towards ORAN-based network. The first one is that we know that with the migration to 5G, the network is going through a densification process. And the operators are pushing really hard to move towards open standard-based network that will improve network resource utilization. They don't want to have equipment that is only used one part of the time and dormant the rest of the time. So that's why the resource utilization is very key. That's the first point. The second point is that when you look at the existing infrastructure, the traditional front-haul technologies that fit well with LTE application, they may not scale very well to support the increased demand and the increased bandwidth that is required by 5G network. So definitely there is a technology limitation. And at the same time, what we see is that some new technologies, some innovative technologies such as the virtualization have reached a level of maturity where they can be integrated into radio access network. And the rationale behind ORAN is to leverage from these new technologies to maximize the performance and optimize CapEx and OpEx. So once you understand the forces, the ORAN Alliance is just a group of operators, network equipment manufacturers, chipsets, software vendors, as well as test equipment manufacturers such as Keysight. And this group is aimed at enabling an open, standard-based, interoperable, multi-vendor radio access network.